Alright. Right. This is going to be an iPhone XR LCD replacement. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I've lost count of how many of these I've done. So I usually have, there we go. I like to keep these magnetic strips so that I can place the screws the way they come off. The way they come off the phone. So I'll start with a Torx driver to take the pentalobe screws out, and there are two of those in the bottom. They just go on this magnetic strip here. So I know where to put them. I do have a tool that's meant to be great for taking these screens off, but I don't like using them. It's like a double suction cup and a pair of pliers. I think they're dangerous, so to be honest. So there we go. That does me. And it feels as though this screen hasn't been done before. But the glue's still intact. Really strong. Yep. Yep. A lot of people use the plastic pits for this job because it actually shows you how far to go in, so that you don't cause any damage inside the phone. I've been doing this long enough. That's the pics here. There we go. Look at the wee bits round the edge, and it stops so that you know how far to go with these. Are rubbish, to be honest, because as soon as you hit something hard, they break. Oh, there we go. So you run it around the screen like so, and it loosens the glue. Yeah. I'm not too keen on them. I prefer good old metal. But we'll go with these for the video. That's all the glue separated, more or less. Yep, just a tiny bit at this side. Frame doesn't want to come with that either. The next thing we want is a tri-wing screwdriver. Hello Lulu, you coming to help me, darling? You coming to help? Hey, where did you come from? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. That's what they said, don't film pets and children. Thanks for that, Lulu. Ugh. Jesus. Some isopropyl alcohol does just the right job. And that Lulu. Right, sorry, back to where I was. Tri-wing screwdriver to remove the screws inside. Take the base. I take the face plates off first, and then disconnect the battery. I don't ever work on a phone with the battery connected, as you're just asking for trouble. And a lot of people are going to disagree with using metal tweezers to remove parts, but as I say, I've been doing this long enough. I will though use a spudger to remove the battery, the connector. There we go, battery connector removed. Right, now the plate for the LCD connectors, another two tri-wing screws, and a plate. Two connectors to remove, one, two, that's the LCD disconnected. Now the earpiece. This has your sensor and your earpiece, and my parrot is wrecking the bloody place. Thanks Lulu. Oh. Where were we? Yep, plate removed to get access to the earpiece connector, and also the these are all tri-wing screws, apart from one, which is a Phillips, small Phillips, right here. Which is a pain in the back side. And there we go, removed. And all the parts are laid out on the mat the way they are inside the phone, so I don't lose where all the screws go, because if you put the wrong screw in the wrong place, it can be catastrophic. If you put a long screw in a screw hole where it shouldn't be, it can cause long screw damage, and that's what you don't want. Right, LCD has been disconnected from the phone, battery's disconnected also from the phone, so that we don't run into any problems. New LCD is here, so I'm going to take the parts from the old LCD, put them in the new LCD. Oh, that's very kind of them. They've given me a screen protector as well. Thank you. Oh, I nearly forgot something. I need to read the data from this screen using the Icopy Plus. This is for True Tone to work. If this isn't done, then True Tone doesn't work when you install this screen. So connect the screen up. The screen's connected. Hit the read button. It's going to be hard to show you this. There we go. Hit read. Data is being read. Completed. And I can disconnect the old screen. Now, the best thing to do here just now is, so I could put this wee machine away, is to write the data straight back on to the new screen. Right, new screen is connected. This can be a pain in the backside, you know. Right, new screen connected. Data is being written. Takes a wee bit longer. Done. And that's that. Really handy wee machine. Worth the money. Right. Back to the drawing board. So, I need to remove 3 screws, 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, what are you doing? 3 Phillips screws and 1 tri-bound screw from here. This is just for a grounding connector. I'm going to use a microscope for this because my eyesight is rubbish and I don't want to damage these flex cables that are here. Oops. Right. Plate. Plate. This is a murderous wee job. Stuck down with sticky, double-sided sticky tape. and it can be a pain in the backside to remove it. And you also need to be really careful while removing this, or you could damage it, and it is a pain in the backside to repair. Trust me, I've done a few and it's awkward. Right, old screen. New screen. Take the back intake from it. So and it's great that you actually get the wee frame for the camera with this kit, because it can be a pain in the backside to remove the one that's there already on the other screen. So it just goes back in the same way as it came out the other one. In fact, yeah, I'll just do this. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Glued in place. And the same again with 3 Phillips screws and a tri-wing screw. So what, I think I will put the tri-wing screw in first. Yep. Tri-wing and 3 Phillips. That would help. Trying to screw a Phillips screw in with a pentalobe screwdriver. Oops. Sorted. Right, time to get the phone back and insert the new screen. Huh. Really loose. Play a listen for that click. Sorted. Still don't connect the battery. That's the last thing to be connected, just to avoid any issues. If there's no power running through the phone, then you can't short anything. So, right. Three tri-wing screws, all going in the right place that they come off. No, they're not. Yep. There we go. Just as well these screws are the same size. Well, that would have been a really bad mistake I just made. Second tri-wing. Third tri-wing. Right. And the last screw out the four is a Phillips. And that goes right here. Phillips. Sorted. LCD FPC connector faceplate, and those are two tri-wing screws also. One, two, now it's okay to connect the battery. Battery connected. Now the last faceplate can go on. And those are tri-wing screws too. 3 of them. Oops. Right. One. Two. Three. if everything is okay and everything was put back the way it came out, the screen will close first time every time. Yep, and it has. No screen setting up. Time to put the 2 pentalobe screws back, and that finishes off the iPhone XR LCD replacement. One, two. So, last thing we do is to test. I don't know if you can see this. This is an ammeter. It just tells you the voltage and the draw, the amp draw of anything you connect to it. Right, the phone's coming on. The phone must have had power in it. Yep. There we go. Oops. Yep, no issue there. So I will leave that to charge. In fact, I'm going to put the screen protector on just now. May as well do that just now while I'm here. Right, I've got that screen plastic. Right, seems okay. There's no point in giving that a wipe down because it's crystal clear. And I think the best way to do these is there we go. That's what this is for. Alright. Oh, I don't know about this screen protector. It's not the best. Ah. Oh no. Oh, look at that. Haha. That's pretty neat. Superb. That's And that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed. There'll be more to come as I'm just starting out in this channel. There'll be all sorts of repairs, phones, tablets, laptops, soldering, micro soldering, rework, stuff like that. So keep your eyes peeled. There'll be more to come. Also please like the video, turn on the notifications so that you get every video that's uploaded when it's uploaded. Like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now. Thank you.